Marami kayang tao ngayon sa Dog Beach.
Sunday.
Last time
Ay, hindi ako marunong maghanap ng...
Okay,
Thank you
andyan
po.
na. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yan na
Ilan po
yun.
kayo?
Ingat din po. Thank you.
5'7". Ay, ano may 5'2"?
My God, ha? Hello, Angela. Let's go to Dog Beach. Uy, hindi pa nakasarado.
Oh my God.
I think we have to compile our life. Let's compile them. Para kung Kris Jenner, no? Like my hairstyle is so crazy. We're going to the Dog Beach. Tapos malaki pa talaga yung sunglasses ko.
Dog beach wala. Dog beach wala nga ano.
Sana maraming dog today. Sana lang.
May gagawin sana.
Si Arvin. Sana si Arvin.
Ano sasabi mo?
Si Arvin.
Oh, ano meron?
Asan na? Ganun lang, ganun yan.
Dapat yung binibigyan, niregalo mo ng suklay.
Ano ka ba?
Yung pang-pangs eh.
Oh my God. Not giving. It's not giving.
Ano yung rock day?
Ha?
Rock.
Ras Al Khaimah?
Ha?
Ras Al Khaimah?
Saan yun?
Another emirate, 'di ba? Mayroong emirate Abu Dhabi, Dubai. Yung Ras Al Khaimah nasa Sharjah.
What? Malayo.
Malayo.
I'm with Miss Jenner.
I'm feeling like martini today.
You say about self-love and what is your stand about it?
Bakit tabingi siya? Hindi siya nakasenta.
Okay. Thank you for your answer. Thank you for your answer. Actually, before, when I was young, never needed anyone. Making love is just for fun. By Celine Dion. Okay, guys. So, what can you say about self-love? What's your stand about self-love? And how do you define self-love? Hello.
Huh?
How do you find self-love? How do you define it?
I would say that self-love is not only being aware of your physical needs, but also being aware of your mind. You know, when our mind, we only keep processing, we only keep memorizing, we only keep remembering.
Like
But-
it's an habit.
Yeah, but we forgot to actually be thinking about what we are minding
Mm-hmm.
and not being able to practice minding our thoughts. So I would say that when you're aware of your mind, the way you practice it, and not just being selfish
Uh-huh.
or being an individualist, I think self-love comes to being brave on accepting your relationship to your environment. Like, for example, my relationship to my friends, to you, or my relationship
Spiritual.
yeah, to my job or to my books, right?
Yeah.
To trees,
It's so deep.
to the ocean. It's because you know, when we say self-love, bilinguistic, it's like a selfish form of love, but it shouldn't be like that.
What do you mean? In
Self-love,
what
like
way?
being selfish. It's
Yeah,
it's
I
like
agree.
self-centered, like self. It's self.
Yeah.
Bilinguistic is like selfish in a thought,
Ang
right?
hirap magkaroon ng kaibigan na doktor. Doctor in philosophy. I asked it like a simple question and then she asked it. Karoon pa ng RRL dahil.
According to...
Lalim. Pwede ba?
Huwag mo ako tinatanong ang ganyan question kasi siniseryoso ko. Akala ko pa seryosong vlog
It's a
to.
serious topic. Ayun na.
Okay.
Serious vlog. Okay. I'm listening.
Ay, nako.
You know what? Next time, let's do like sa jar and then we make some topics there and then we pick. Oh, ito.
Okay. O, so ito yung topic
Yeah.
natin. Yeah. Which, kailan na gagawin mamaya?
Pag nakaayos na tayo dahil.
Ayos na tayo. Naka-outfit na tayo.
Oo.
Okay, sige. Pang ilang take na to?
Take 11. Take 11.
Meron ako mga ano dito eh. Note. Ito. Alam mo yung ano? Where do you get your confidence question? Where do you get your confidence?
Anong sagot?
Ikaw.
Ako?
Tinatanong ko ito. Tinatanong mo ko kanina.
From
Eh,
God.
it's your turn.
From God.
From God.
Yes.
Period. Tell me.
From God.
I know that your relationship to God is deep. But you know, like, maybe you can share it to everybody so that they can as well.
Ang dami ng followers.
I have like 50 followers.
And wala siyang social media. Wala siyang social media, I swear.
Bakit nilafeel ko yung mga sinasabi ko dahil?
Kanino? As if na they have time to listen and to watch this. They don't care. And I don't care. Sino ba itong mga to? Can you just guys go and for me, my confidence. Oh, dito pa talaga. Pumayas ng mga angat sa ingay. Yung confidence ko nanggaling kay God from the Bible and His Word and Scripture. I'm not saying I am fully deeply rooted from the Word or how I act in this world. I can't even say if like I'm already spiritually mature enough to face, everything in my life and my decision making, but step by step. Step by step. That's all. I don't have my fully answer, but if someone will ask me, what's the meaning of life for you? I just say, just living for the word. That's all I can say. Period. Yeah.
I also like want to share from what you said that maybe your spiritual connection might not be that deep, but actually you will never know what how deep it should be, right?
Yeah.
I think it's more of your practice.
Yeah.
As long as you're practicing, then you are spiritual. It doesn't matter if it's deep or if it's shallow because no one will know. The answer will always be a mystery.
Yeah, I agree.
Period.
Our name should be Period Girls. With C. Because that's all. We don't need to explain ourselves to anyone.
Right.
Period.
Bagay sa'yo maging vlogger na. Mag-vlogger ka na kasi.
Wala tayong kwenta dahil. So, pakilang take ata. Ay, hindi siya mag-aano dahil kasi
Ito na lang.
dahil mo na eat your pork adobo na.
Mm-mm.
Oh my God.
Are you okay?
Tinginan sila. Alam mo, guys, mas chismoso pa talaga yung ano. Ayoko na oh my God. Ayoko na magsabi kung anong ano ha.
Nilalang.
Ayoko na magsabi kung anong nilalang. But, mas chismoso pa talaga sila in low-key.
Low-key.
Not because like, feminist kami.
Day, ang ganda mo.
The heck?
Ang ganda-ganda ng friend ko. Oh my God.
Okay, ano gusto mo sa dinner? Oh my God.
Ganda-ganda. Oh, you have like the
Me
most
too.
perfect smile in the world. I swear.
The only validation that I need is validation. So, yeah. Mas chismoso pa talaga yung ibang nilalang. I don't wanna say. Baka may matrigger eh. Konting galaw, konting ano dahil. Titingin sila. Tingnan mo to. Oo na, Audrey Hepburn. Oo na, Audrey.
Oh,
Dahil, kakasabi ng bawal mag-swimming. Hala, si Kuya, swimming.
Oo nga, di ba? Pinaalis na.
Tigas ng
Kasi
ulo.
hanggang 7 p.m. nga lang kasi dito daw.
Dapat dito kung ano tinggal eh. You wanna read the Bible? Tinapos ko to eh. Trust no one, Matthew 16.
Meron kang ano ngayon?
Mm-hmm.
Bible rant to share. Yung magsalita.
You wanna eat your pork adobo tayo?
Gusto mo na ba umuwi?
Bit, maharaw pa eh. Tignan siya sa beach. Mga nakatawa, ito mga hayop na to.
Napakadaming upuan. Bakit talaga dyan umupo sa harapan namin?
Dahil,
Diba?
alam mo, you have to
upuan.
accept their immaturity. Their attention
I
span.
don't need to accept that and I don't want.
They're so funny kaya. Look how pet they are. Dahil.
Ay, lobat na. Lobat na siya. Mag-vlog na lang ulit kami later.
Kita na tayo.
Anyway. Ito siya dito, guys. Tawagan mo. Oh my God. Hi.
Laki na, okay na photo?
Ganda, oh. Sino yan? Puro golden retriever yung nandun. Cute. Have you eaten a Krispy Kreme?
Yes, of course.
Was it crispy?
It's really.
Ay. Ginawa po sa Hello!
Ayun naman Senday.
Having sleigh, beach day. Ayun na yung pag-o. Kaso hindi pangit ng liit ng bag! Oh my God! Oh my God, what a face! Ganda, come here. Halika na dito, ganda. Nagpipicture ka ba dyan? Okay na, picturean na kita. Ako na bahala sa'yo.
Sa phone mo eh.
Ako na, sa phone ko? Okay, let me get it. Kala ko ba nakamubuan ka na kay Juan Carlo?
Gwapo eh. Ang gwapo siya matangkad eh.
Eh, paano ka makakapag-date niyan ngayon ng ibang people? Hindi ka pa pala nakapag-move on.
For entertainment.
Purposes.
It's so funny guys.
Even drunk. Ito kasi yung favorite ni MJ. Pero yan yung favorite ko.
Favorite mo yan? Ito ba yung order natin tayo?
Sorry, madam, would you like to order any food or drinks? Because it's gonna be the last order. For me.
We already
I
have
am.
our
You already
last
have the
order.
dessert, yeah?
Yes, thank you. Ganda. Yan ang Dubai. That's Dubai.
Oh my God, sorry Day ha. Mapatar kasi wala eh.
Show them the photo, Dai. Show them. It's so serious, so serious. It's a serious business right now.
Guys, the company is paying me for this one. It's not free. And I'm a secret customer critic.
Period.
They pay me for this food review. And my 50 followers. It's really serious, guys.
We take things seriously. Looks like a Black Panther. It's cute, right? Oh my God, I thought it's only going to be like a small one. But like, it's a big tiramisu. It's too malaki. Akala ko ganun lang siya. You know? Okay, go for it. Go for it. Doing the job. You go, girl. For 50 followers. For 50 followers.